Hey guys, Josh here with RedNeck GreenThumb. I'm getting excited to start putting some seeds in the ground. It's still early spring. We're at the beginning of April, but I'm thinking I'm going to start putting in all the early crop. So this video I'll be putting in all my radishes. Stay tuned. So we'll pat the soil down a little bit and all the compost and manure. You're gonna get your hands dirty. You're working in the dirt, so don't be scared to get your hands dirty. I have a couple different kinds of radishes. There's gonna be some in here. So there's a few reasons why I really like radishes. The first being they go in the ground really early. So they're very, very frost resistant. You don't have to worry about the frost killing them off because they will power right through it. I need to organize my seeds better. That's one from last year. There might actually be some seeds that I saved. Yeah, there they are right there. I know, once you start collecting seeds, it just gets out of hand. So, there's my homegrown radishes right here. From last year. Or from last year's crop, I should say. Gonna roll all these back up. Tuck them back in. And there's a couple more varieties in here that I'm excited to try. So we have these yellow Mackenzies. So easy they're called because they have a like a membrane or something around the seed itself to hold in moisture, so that's gonna be nice. The second reason I really like radishes is because they don't take very long to grow. They grow very quickly, and I'm a huge fan of that because I like to eat radishes. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I believe there's some in this packet. Wow, that sun is really beating down, really hot. It's probably the hottest it's been all year. Oh, those don't go in there. There, alright, let's see here. Now this company, I was quite satisfied with their product until I got my second purchase in the mail, because they replaced my corn with cilantro, and I was really unhappy about that. And all these seeds in this one here, they must have run out of stock or something, but all these seeds were packaged in 2021. Which makes them a little bit older than I would like them to be, but the majority of them should still be viable. Back here I have my onions, so I want to save a little bit of room to plant more onions, so probably around there. So we have 4 different kinds of radishes. Cherry bell radish, really fast growing. This heirloom produces a red round root that has a crisp white pulp that is sweet and ready in less than a month. Okay, that's interesting. I did not know that it was going to take less than 30 days for this. Oh, well, look at that. Yeah, it's only 20 to 25 days. All right, well, that's new to me. These ones are 30 to 35. And these ones are probably around the same, 20, 25. Let's get the garden ready. So I'm gonna mark this out to be the edge of my onions. From here over will be my onions. And then I'll use this as a straight edge, and I will use, where'd my nail go? Oh, there it is. I'll use my nail to make holes about every 2 inches. Pat this down. Run a straight line. And we want to bury these seeds about 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch deep and 2 inches apart. 2 to 3 inches apart, I guess. Because you want them to have some room to be able to bulb up, right? Because they're a tuber root. Now, I'm really excited for these Mackenzie yellow radishes. Never tried them before, so we're gonna put them in. It says 200 seeds. I'm probably not gonna plant 200. But my third reason why I love radishes is because once you harvest this, you can go ahead and plant more, and you can get up to 5 harvests of radishes if you do it right out of the year, maybe even more. So let's plant these. Again, I don't like to rip the entire piece off. I like to keep them intact so that if I need to go back and read something on the package, there's less of a chance that I ripped the part off that I need. Anyways. Okay, we'll start with that. 1 seed per hole. Bird. Robin just about landed on my head. Cover them all up. Push that one down into the hole. And do that for the entire little batch. Cover all them up. Now I try and squeeze the dirt around it so that it's not encased in like a cave with air around it. It needs to be touching the dirt. So just squeeze the dirt in around them, pack them down, and move on to the next variety. Pack this down. That's a big rabbit patty. I'll just break that up. All the hair from the rabbit cages and stuff, hair is just pure nitrogen. So, or it's what the soil turns it into. So to have hair and stuff in your garden, it's absolutely fine. The next ones I want to plant are these cherry bell radishes. So we'll see how those heirloom seeds turn out. So that's 55. We'll see how many seeds we have left after we put these in. Pat it down firm but not too tight, or else they won't be able to break through. I'm just tapping it. I'm not putting very much pressure on it at all. What are these? Mackenzie Scarlet Globe radish. All right. Pack them down a bit. We gotta make another line here to signify the end of the row. All right, so what do we got here? We got yellow radishes, bell radishes, red radishes. So we'll see you when they pop up. Oh, well, I forgot to mention, you gotta water them in. So after they're all patted down, give them a good little watering. Make sure that the seed gets enough moisture to start. Try not to disrupt the soil too much though, or else you'll misplace or jostle your seeds around, which is never good. So just give it a good liberal soaking, and I'll see you in about a week when they start popping up. So it's been about maybe a month, maybe a little over a month since I planted the radishes, and they're doing really good. We're actually probably ready to harvest now. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're ready to come up. I could harvest them right now and put down another seeding. These ones I think take a little longer. They're still a little bit small. But here's the yellow ones that I planted. They are absolutely yellow. Look at that. So that's cool. Never grown yellow radishes before compared to that. Some weed. So what's that? Anyways, next comes the harvest. So now it's time to harvest. We'll start over here with the yellows. That looks good. Oh, look at that one. There we go. A bowl full of radishes. Fresh radishes. Those are really good.